Hey guys, welcome back to my channel again, and if you're a first timer here in this channel, I encourage you to click the subscribe button and click the bell button after subscribing for you to be notified every time that I upload videos. And I upload videos every Tuesday and Thursday for a regular video just like this, and almost every day I upload vlog videos. As you can see the title down below, this is a 500 peso Divisoria Haul. Just a disclaimer here, I didn't go to Divisoria. Divisoria came here in our place. Hindi, kasi ngayon meron na kaming 168 mall dito sa Urdaneta. 168. Sige na. Actually, parang matagal na eh, pero hindi ko lang kasi pinapansin yung 168 mall na yan. Kasi parang ang creepy pag dun ka lang sa baba. Pero pala sa taas, ang dami. Sobrang daming mabibili guys if you are near Urdaneta, so you should head on to that store. Ayan. So makikita nyo rin sa mga vlog ko, sa mga susunod na vlogs ko, kung yun, yung nag-shop kami doon. Basta ang daming mabibili. So yeah, I got, sabi ko, magtitipid lang ako kasi pupunta pa akong HBC. But yeah, I can't resist, my friend. So tingnan nyo na lang kung ano yung mga nabili ko. Okay, so I got a flower. Before may nakikita kayong flower sa background ko pero kulay puti. I also got the same flower in a color pink. Yeah, just like this. Ayan. Yan siya. This one is only 65 pesos. Sobrang cute na guys. Ayan. Ayan to itong kagaya ng puti na ginagamit ko dati. And of course, I also got a blending sponge which is 60 pesos lang siya. Let me see. I got the blue one kasi wala silang black. Parang meron lang sila green, pink, and everything. So, parang gusto ko naman itong blue. Very soft din siya. This is a lot softer than the HBC sponge na tiga 85. So, ayan. Soft din siya. Pero I don't know if it expands. Hindi ko pa siya nata-try actually. Moving on with my favorite things na gustong-gusto kong binibili sa 168. Yung mga kasali sa giveaway ko. Ayan, nakikita nyo ba yung mga yan? My favorite baskets, itong apat. So, before I get the blue, the purple, and the green, and I also got this pink. Hindi mo siya, parang orange pink siya, yan. May orange tone siya. And these are only 18 pesos, guys. Imagine, 18 pesos lang, di ba? Ang cute-cute nila. Kapag sa Daiso mo ito binili, tiga 88 lang yung maliliit. So, bonggang-bongga. I have, hindi ko na alam kung paano i-compute. Kaya ako nag-nurse eh, kasi yung mag-compute. And of course, I got also the bigger na baskets, ayan, compared to this, diba? I also got the color blue and the color pink in the shade orange pink, like something like that. So yes, these are only 30 pesos. So yung dalawa, 60 pesos na. And for the last one na binili ko doon is this pillow here. Yeah, this is a tongue out. Tapos 130 pesos lang to. Tapos nare-remove tong ano niya, tong cover na to. So, I've seen similar pillows like this online and they sell for about 250 to 350 pesos. So, sabi ko, ang mahal para lang dun sa pillow. Tapos, may shipping fee pa, diba? Luging-lugi ka. Tapos, ano ka pa, magpapadala ka pa ng pera. So, ang soft niya. Very huggable. So, yeah. Buti na lang guys, meron na ng ganito dun sa 168. So, I bought one. And si Mac, nagustuhan niya rin. So, 500 na to lahat, itong basket na to. And this one, at si Mac gustuhan niya rin yung isang pillow, syempre, pumili din siya. And he got this one. Yung heart-heart na mga emojis. So, that's all that I got from 168. Hopefully, pangarap ko talaga pumuntang Divisoria. Nakapunta lang ako doon once. Gusto ko pumunta doon sa Divisoria na puro makeup. Kasi dito sa amin, wala. Gusto kong bumili ng madaming brushes. I hope Sis Dolly Joy is watching this. Girl, samahan mo naman kami Sis President sa Divisoria. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and watch my previous video. I will put all the links down below. So yeah, bye! Mwah.
Treat her better. Gotta let go of all of our goals. We both know we ain't kids no more. Send my love to you.